Hello, my name is Ronja. I'm from Vital Seeds and I'm going to demonstrate you now how to save seed from lettuces. This is our lettuce plant. It's a variety called Little Leprechaun. We sowed this at the beginning of February and it is the end of September now. Time for harvest. We left this lettuce plant ripen and more than 70% of the pappus have appeared, which is a good time to harvest. And you can also harvest the seed gradually over a period of weeks and just shake the top of the plant into a paper bag. But because we have a few plants to do, I'm just going to harvest the whole thing and shake it into a barrel. So I'm gonna cut the lettuce at the base with a good pair of secateurs, and I carefully remove the plant from its place. Try not to shake it or drop any of the seed. And put it in the barrel. And then just shake it. Try and get all of the ripe seed out. I reckon this will do. And there we go. So this was our first plants, and I'm going to continue with all of these, and then we can do the next step together again. So now we have a mixture of the pappuses and the seed, which the pappuses are the fluffy bits and some of the stalk and stuff. And we're going to put it through a sieve. This is a nice slotted sieve with 2mm wide slots. We use it because the seed is long and thin and it goes through nicely. You can use any other sieve as long as it has like 2 to 3mm holes. So I'm just going to chuck this on and then shake gently, and you can see we get already much nicer, purer seed from this. So now we're going to use the breeze to separate the lighter chaff from the seed, and this is a very ancient way of cleaning seed. You can play around with the height from where you let the seed drop. We don't have very much of a breeze, so I'm going to go a bit higher. You can see we get pretty much 2 streams here. One of the heavier seed and one of the lighter chaff. And we'll have to do this a few times to get it really clean. So this is what we've ended up with now. This is pretty clean and probably enough for home use. For our purposes, we're going to clean it a bit further. There you go. This is how you save lettuce seed, and thank you very much for watching.